Scholars! My name is Miss James and I'm here to help you with your first grade skills lessons. Today we're on Skills for Lesson 6. Our objectives are to produce the vowel sounds, write single-syllable words with R and decode words with R and as well as tricky word your, match contractions and use them in a sentence, and spell and write single-syllable words with our vowel digraphs and the tricky word because. So looks like we've got a lot to do today. Let's start by practicing some of our sounds. On the top here, you see the letter R. R says R, R. On the bottom, you see the letters E and R together. That makes the sound Notice how they sound different, but they can be very similar. Say the sound R. Say the sound Good job. Let's practice some more that are just like this, very similar. We can get them confused, so that's why we want to practice. Here we have the short vowel A and the long vowel A. The short vowel A says A. The long vowel A says A. Repeat after me. A. Next we have AR, R, and AW, aw. Notice how they sound very similar, very, very close. So that's why we want to make sure we're saying it exactly right. Repeat after me, R, aw. Good job. Let's keep practicing. Next we have short vowel I and long vowel I. Short vowel I says I. Long vowel I says I. Repeat after me. I. Ooh, these are some tricky ones. OU, when it's together, says ow. O, when it's together, says ooh. Ow, ooh. Repeat after me. Ow, ooh. Ooh, now we have AR and ER. We already did these two. What does AR say? R. Good. What does ER say? Good. Notice how they're really close? Say it again. R. So we have to listen very carefully to see if it's an AR we're looking for or an ER we're looking for, especially when we're spelling words like our spelling words. Next we have OI and OU. OI says oi. OU says ow. Repeat after me. Oi. Ow. Great job. We've got one more. You ready? Short vowel U and a long vowel U. Short vowel U says Long vowel U says you. Repeat after me. You. Great job. Now let's put that practice to use. Take out page 6.1 in your workbook. we're going to review that and R. It looks just like this. We'll go over the words together, and then you're going to finish it by filling in the blanks on this page and the next page. And the page after that. So there's 3 pages, but all the same 10 words. So once you use a word, make sure you cross it off so you don't use it again. Let's go over the words in the box so you know what they are before you start. Stars, perk, look. Remember that OO sometimes doesn't say ooh, it says like in look. Burn, shout, oil, claws, moon, shark, herd. Now you're going to read the sentence and find the word that fits in the blank. There is not a blank in this lake. Which word makes sense? There is not a shark. That's good. Put the word shark in the blank for number 1. Number 2. The car needs blank in it. What would you need to put in a car? Oh, cars need oil. The car needs oil in it. Put the word oil in the blank for number 2. Look back up in the box to find the word. Number 3. That cat has sharp blank. What could a cat have that's sharp? You got it, claws. Find the word claws up in the box and put it in the blank for number 3. Number 4. The flag has blank and stripes. What's on our U.S. flag besides the stripes? If you said stars, then you are a star. Great job. Find the word stars up in the box and write it in the blank for number 4. Go to the next page. Number 5. My mom had to ask us not to. What might your mom not want you to do? Shout. She doesn't want you to shout. Find the word shout up in the box and write it under number 5. Number 6. She must blank up and not sleep. What could that be? She must blank up and not sleep. Look up in the box to see if you can find a word that fits. That's a tricky one. Did you think it's the word perk? If you did, great job. perk up means to kind of wake up and get looking alive. She must perk up and not sleep for number 6. Number 7. I saw a blank of deer in the woods. What would we call a group of deer? A herd. Good job. Write the word herd for number 7. Number 8. I would like to see the green blank zoo. What's the name of the zoo we've been learning about in our stories? The green fern zoo. Good job. Find the word fern and write that for number 8. All right, we've got 2 left on the next page. You should only have 2 words left if you've been crossing them off like I told you to. Number 9. Blank at that big wave. Look. Good job. Look at that big wave. Make sure you capitalize the letter L because it's at the beginning of a sentence. Look at that big wave. Number 10. We look up at the stars and the blank when it gets dark. What else is in the sky besides the stars when it gets dark at night? The moon. Good. Write the word moon for number 10. Next, I want you to look at the phrases on the screen and read as many of them as you can out loud. Keep track on your fingers of how many you can read on your own. There are 8 phrases. Pause the video now, read as many as you can, and then press play when you're ready to move on. Remember, track on your fingers. I want to know how many you got right. I'm going to read them now so you can check your work. Pause the video if you're not ready yet. 1. Perk up. 2. Be stern. 3. Bark like a dog. 4. Drive a car. 5. Arch your back. 6. March in one spot. 7. Pat your arm. 8. Lift your arm. If you got all 8 of those, give me a high five. Great job. If you only got 1, that's okay too. At least you know that you tried your best. If you got 1 right, give me a high five on this side. Good job. Last thing we're going to do today is practice some contractions. Remember, we learned about 2 different ways you can use an apostrophe. You can use an apostrophe to show that something belongs to someone, or you can use an apostrophe to join together 2 words and make a contraction. Here are some examples. Let us, let. We replace the U with an apostrophe, but it still means the same thing. Repeat after me. Here is, here's. Which letter did we replace this time? The I. Good job. It is, it. Which letter did we replace here? The I again. Good. He is, he's. Which letter did we replace here? The I. She is, she's. The I again. Cannot, can't. Here we took away one N and the O. Now, for your last page, 6.2, you're going to have to match the contractions on your workbook page. I'll show it to you before you go. Here's what it looks like. So you're going to match the two words with its contraction. It is the same as it. Make sure you finish this page before you're done today. And then that's all you've got. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.